Carefully take out the upper bin from the freezer. Carefully take out the bottom bin from the freezer. Detach the securing screws from tabs on the freezer door arms. A 5/16 wrench set or drive will be used. Carefully raise and take off the freezer door. Conduct necessary maintenance with available additional space. Align the freezer door tabs correctly within the slot to ensure smooth operation. Reattach the screws for the freezer door tabs on both sides. Carefully return bottom bin. Carefully return top bin.